Hey dudes, Blazer Project. Well, today I'm in the garage. If you hear things hitting the roof, the trees are in bloom, seeds are falling and everything, it's spring going into summer and the wind is howling. So, doors are shut, it's hot in here, but today we're going to see if we can get a Vanguard going. Now this engine came out of the scrapyard. Don't know why someone would just throw it away or try and sell it for parts, because I mean it's complete. It's got both coils, air intake, the carbs there, and it's in reasonably nice shape. I mean, why? I would have bought this thing for 50 bucks and rebuilt it myself, because I love the challenge. But this, if it runs and runs good, is going to repower the date. So went out, got 2 plugs, oil filter, new fuel pump, a new starter solenoid. That's going to be used on something else, probably. Always nice to have a spare or two around. But it's already got one on here. That looks like one off of a vehicle. Plus also I got oil hiding over there. But other than that, I mean, it's complete. So I'm going to run you through my process as far as getting things done. Now I've already removed the old spark plugs. They are going by the wayside and so forth to be replaced with new ones, considering I don't know their status, the age, or anything. So what I'm going to do first is get it spun. We're going to get the oil filter off, drain it completely, put fresh oil in, make sure it's at the right level. Put the spark plugs in and try and hook it up to that battery over there. But that's going to be on the ground. So I'm going to put you on the tripod and let's get to work. Alright, need a container, oil. Right here. This spun and see just what oil is in this thing. Also would help if I grab a pair of pliers. So let's see what condition this oil's in. This oil will tell you more than anything what has been through this engine and so forth. Hope it's not water, but if it is, oh well. There's very little oil in this. Typical black. There we go, making a bit of a mess. That's a good sign, it's black. I'm not seeing any metal shavings in it, so that's good. Little runny, but I'm not going to complain. Those moved. There was very little in it. Huh. Oil filter's turn. Okay. See if this will work. If not, channel lock it. Oops. Just a review. Alright. Channel locks. Ow. And the wind's knocking seeds off, sorry. So something happened. Or no one freaking changed the oil in it and just kept running and running it. There's a gas smell to it, but not bad. It's running, but it's not too terrible. The engine's actually clean. Let's clean this off. Don't need to tighten that down any further. Oil filter. Alright. There I go, doing something I always do is put things they're not supposed to be in my last site. Alright. New oil filter. And always coat the O-ring with fresh oil. Make that seal. And on she goes. Before we even put the plugs in, I'm going to, considering fueling the oil, I'm going to take the top hat off and take a look at the carb. Something has piqued my interest and I want to see if it's bad. So I'm going to shut you off, find some more tools, pull this top plate off. So hang tight. Pull off the tripod real quick. Now there is a little oil in there. Well, that's going to be common. But pull the fuel pump off. This part goes into the valve cover and it's part of the diaphragm that helps pump fuel into the carb, and it is covered in oil. What I think happened is the pump went bad. Sorry, get that in the image. But I think the pump went bad and it just started force feeding fuel in here, or kept on feeding fuel into it constantly. So new fuel pump's on. I've removed an annoying bracket. I mean, it was annoying, but not throwing that away because it could still be used. So next up, let's put some oil in this thing and just see how much it takes. Pull that off. Huh. Don't know if you can see, but it is relatively clean. So I'm going to get on that, throw the plugs in, then I got to get online and do some looking as far as things go. Plus also throw the camera on the charge, so when I come back, I'm going to have the oil topped up, the plugs in, and just basically have this thing wired up and we'll give her a test fire. So give me a few and I'll button her up. You win this round, Vanguard. You win this round. Yeah, that's right, I'm admitting defeat. Would I like to get it running? Yeah, but freaking the wiring, something screwed up in it. And as of right now, it's just easier to stop here. I mean, oil's changed, it's got new plugs, and with wiring, you don't know what it could be. I did get the starter to turn over, but I had to jump it directly off the battery. So that's good, but something tells me something else is up in the wiring. So I've got to order some parts, some gaskets, and also see if I can hunt down a wiring diagram for the thing. But that is definitely going to be another engine that sticks around. So I'm going to put the cap back on, store it in my shed, and it'll make a return. but daylight's fading, and basically I've had enough of it. Besides, tomorrow, toolbox comes to center stage. We got an oil pressure sensor to do on that, and also the rear end. Who knows when the gear lube's been changed in that. Do it now before it really gets ugly. So, it is what it is. I mean, wiring, I hate it. So, hopefully Maine Mud Mowers can help me out. So, like, subscribe, comment. I'll catch you guys all later. And can these dogs ever shut up? No, because I'm out here. So, peace out for now.